of Jamaica, biggest rising star. Inside the jungle fire, we present to you the one and only Nature. Nature.
About a revolution sound. Don't you know how the cry of the poor people sound? While they're standing in the boats and lines, right on the doorsteps of those so-called politicians, wasting time, acting like you're blind, sitting around, waiting on attention. Don't you know, talking about a revolution sound. Don't you know how the cry of the poor people sound? Government, you better wise up, give the people their share. Don't let the people rise up and defend what is theirs. Oh yeah, too much gonna run, 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 yeah, yeah. Too much gonna run, 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 yeah, yeah. Finally the tables will have to turn, talking about a revolution going down, talking about a revolution going down, talking about a revolution going down. Yeah. Well, me I try to build my guitar skills. You see me I say? Some of us think this is a great medium. Exercise it. Don't big up caveman and I building people when I place. Little piece of my story, piece of my story. A piece of my life, a piece of my life, piece of nature's story. Took a trip from the country, reached in Kingston City for my music career. Did not have a place to stay, but I pray to Jah for a better day. Help me to never stray. Trying man, yeah. Look a piece of my story, you know. When we sing music, we don't do it for hype. We don't tell lie in the music. We talk a true story. See? Little piece of my story, piece of my story. Piece of my life, piece of my life, piece of nature's story. Took a trip from the country, reached in Kingston City for my music career. Did not have a place But I pray to Jah for a better day. No boy couldn't touch me. Singing for the trying man and trying woman, working for a better situation. Trying man, working hard for a solution. Mama do domestic work, Papa hustle in the street, find it hard to make two ends meet. When the rain for the roof leak, one pair of tear up shoes on my feet, struggle for food to eat. Hey, no, my brother run off on a plane, trying to get his paper straight in a foreign land. But I remember when the preacher say, one try is in the vessel, you can smile at the storm, I say, singing for the trying man and trying woman, working for a better situation. Trying man and trying woman, working on for a solution. I walk from studio to studio, wanna hear my song on the radio, wanna see myself in a music video, wanna rise my people out of the ghetto. Sing along, please, singing about the trying man, chanting for a better situation. Trying man and trying woman, working hard for a solution. Thank you very much. Yeah, well, I'm just still practicing, you know what I mean? So thanks for not buckling me. Just kidding. Time for justice, when peace, trying fighting. Yeah. Well, when we write song, write from our heart. You know? We not tell no lie. See? Wouldn't it be nice if we all could live together in unity? No more nuclear weapons, you know? No more PMP and JLP war. No more racial war. No more religious war. Time for justice, world peace, is what we're fighting for. World peace, in the southwest, north and east. World peace, that's what I'm chanting for. Hey, world peace, we want the violence is down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right here in Jamaica, whether PNP or JLP, all over the Caribbean, let love set us free. Hey, world peace is what we're fighting for. World peace, southwest, north and east. World peace, nature always counting for. Hey, world peace, we want the violence is. Suicide bomber Down here in North and South America, the spreading of HIV and all those evil STDs, all those nuclear weapons, all because of Babylon Street. But when peace is what I'm singing for, when peace. Yeah, give thanks, eh?
Hi, my name is Raquel Grant. I'm a sales representative here at Link TV. And if you're in the Spanish Town area and you would like to promote your business, please call me at 401-9741, or you can add my BlackBerry PIN, which is showing on the screen.
Welcome to Princess CC Beauty Supplies and Accessories, where we have a wide range of accessories, ears, hats, cosmetics, colognes, soaps, lotions, name it, we have it. Just come on in, we do lay away on cosmetics. Come and pay down on it, and when you finish pay, you're good to go. We are located at shop number 9, Rajmaville Plaza in Portmore, and you can contact me at 892-3736.
FYAH Medical Center, located at 12 Palmetto East, Passage Fort, across from Portmore Town Center Plaza. Call us at 988-1793 and 988-3789. So remember, FYAH Medical Center, exceptional care without exception.
Hi, I'm Sonika Ellis, a marketing representative here at Link TV. If you're interested in promotion of your ad in the Portmore area, you can call us at 988-1716, or you can add me. My PIN is below.
Hello, I'm Ian Bennett, manager of Computer Genie. Visit or call us and ask about the Home Genie computer package. It has a 17-inch LCD monitor, HP color printer, and a computer system with an Intel Celeron processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabyte hard drive, and a web camera. Call us at 988-3997 or 883-0525.
That one is a Gallis anthem. Gallis dogs them a street, you know? A specialist I represent. Whoa, oi. Hey.
Oh, baby, gangsta. I get to love big time, 'cause I gotta be my oh, Lord, well, big up the flesh in the face, now I hope you get to love big time, baby. Oh, no. Get to love big time, 'cause I gotta be my name. If I should lose you, couldn't stand the pain. I fall in love with me, it could be tragedy. And if I should lose you, couldn't stand the pain. The road to love has tragedy. Some love don't get to me. Seeing the tears in someone's eyes, I would cry. And it could happen to us if we're not strong. So why don't you afraid to love before it's gone? Get to love in time, 'cause I gotta make you mine. And if I should lose you, couldn't stand the pain. Fall in love with me, it could be tragedy. And if I should lose you, couldn't stand the pain. The gates are open, you're so close. Love is almost there to go. A few more steps and you'll be there if you care. We'll make it together, it's easier that way. With love flowing deeper, love will soon be ours to stay. You get to pull up that. Well, enough respect to the Jungle Fire Posse. Frankie, but big up yourself, you don't know. Well, Shabba, enough respect. And big up the you like the most of the place now, my brother Dave not the place now. Or yourself, you and big up yourself, you don't know and go. Oh, yes, I wanna be with you, my baby. You. If I can't tell you all the time, oh, it will do. If I can't tell you for myself, I'll share you with someone else. People don't understand. Girl, I got to see you any way I can. Oh, baby, don't ever, ever leave me. If you can't leave me, girl, promise that you will see me. Oh, baby, don't ever, ever leave me. If you can't leave me, promise that you'll see me. Yeah. People say I'm a fool to be used like a carpenter. Use is used to. I don't care what people say. I'm gonna love you anyway. Don't understand. Girl, I got to see you any way I can. Whoa, baby, don't ever, ever leave me. Yeah, girl, promise that you'll see me. Oh, baby, don't ever, ever leave me, girl. Yeah, baby, promise that you'll see me. Yeah. I can't tell you all the time, oh, man, if I can't tell you for myself, I share you with someone else. People don't understand. Girl, I got to see you any way I can. Whoa, baby, don't ever, ever. Well, enough respect. The Jungle Fire Massive. Again, you don't know. Frankie, big up yourself and a big respect, you know, my lad. Ooh, yes, baby girl, oh Lord, yes. Remember when you and I would share our love, oh, me, moments we had to rush across my mind so many times. Now that you're gone, I really miss your love. But you should know I'm crushed. Love you in broken armor. My world fell all apart. Now I start all over again. I'm crushed, standing on shadow. Yes, baby, yeah. I look into your eyes, baby girl, I look in your eyes and I see it's love so dangerously, but you're not trusting your heart to make me worry. But you tell me you're gonna play it smart. True before the started, I believe that you only just gone to the fire, to the lily, to the wire. And for a chance to be with you, I'm glad there is the
we're gonna do something for you tonight. And we hope you enjoy yourself. Chemistry was wasted on the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. And if you do, then over that goes. I love that it takes some time. If you put it all in the face, say they can't see that. Mr. Engineer, don't turn up the mic. Yeah, it's kind of too loud. I see the people that run our back. We don't want to deaf them. You see? Yeah. I've been sitting too strong for too long. I'll be waiting up until you get home. Whoa, anybody who's ever loved me knows just how I feel. Too hard to fake it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, babe. Don't whine, I got a question for you. Still, I wanna ask you, would you lie or make me cry or do something behind my back and then try? Hurry up, but neither would I, baby. My love is only your love. I'll be faithful, I'm for real, and we not see one waste on the deal, baby. Too strong for too long. Whoa, and I'll be waiting up until you get home. If anybody wants to have a love, you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without the babe. To the bridge, yo. Now this is real talk. I always say, no matter what, good or bad, right or wrong. Hey, but if you don't know love or don't believe this is for you, no, this ain't for you. If you got it deep in your heart, you down and know that it's true. Come on. So let me see you put your hands up. If you're in love, put your hands up. If you're in love, put your hands up. If you're in love, yeah. Kizzy. Give me something sweet. I'm sitting here missing you so much, thinking how I need your touch, your eyes, your lips and skin, how I count the seconds you are a million miles away, but here I see you every day. Whether I'm happy or sad, I'm just thinking of you and it's okay. You